Before discussing about further animation properties, I forgot to mention on the previous lecture about the usage of different units for properties. Let's take the x position for the example. If we put simply a number, by default GSAP considers its unit as pixels. But GSAP is not limited to the usage of pixels. The absolute length units from CSS such as centimeter, millimeter, inches, points, picas, etc. can also be used. Make sure you enclose these values in double quotes or single quotes should you want to use these units. Here are some of the examples. 15 centimeter, 50 millimeter, 1 inch, 100 points, 20 picas. It's not finished there. The relative lengths used in CSS can also be applied here within the quotes. Here are some of the examples. 50 view width, 50 Vmax, and 50 Vmin. For Y position, I'm putting 50 view height. We can also make use of the return values of the JavaScript calculations if it returns a number. Here I'm using an anonymous function to return the half of the window size. So I'm using window.innerWidth by 2. We will discuss more about the functions later in this course.